Halo semuanya, kembali lagi bersama saya Takonima di sini. Hari ini kita akan melanjutkan video sebelumnya, yaitu kita akan menginvestigasi Lonis Black Forest lah. Kemarin lanjutan dari video kemarin. Ya, ini jadi komentator gara-gara audio saya tuh nggak nyampe di audio gamenya. Ya udah, di perjalanan kita akan dimulai dari situ. Pasti perjalanan ya, karena kita lanjut ke quest berikutnya nih. Aku bertemu dengan monyet Pinky. Karena ya kita masuk ke dalam hutan lah. Tapi pasti ini ada bagian kocak nih. Ini awalnya nggak mau kemasukan tapi mau tadi kemasukan aja karena ini kocak banget. Jadi pas di sini nih ada mushroom. Itu mushroom. Ternyata pas ku datangin kan mau ngambil blue mushroom tuh, ternyata itu bukan mushroom. Itu tuh udang. Itu bangke. Nah ini begitulah, jadi kita jadi terserang seperti itu, jadi aku kaget banget. Ya udahlah, kita tinggal run away aja, sisanya aman. Terus setelah ya kita run away, lanjut lagi ke pencarian questnya. Lalu kita menemukan sumber permasalahan. Kenapa kita disuruh investigasi? Nah kita disuruh melawan laba-laba ini. Laba-labanya ini cukup menarik sih. Karena ya biasa kalau dari konsepnya kan dia tuh bagian belakang itu kan terbuat dari kulit monster lainnya kan. Ini tuh cukup menarik lah. Dan ini salah satu juga monster pertama yang kita monster menengah yang kita lawan di Monster Hunter Story 1 kalau nggak salah. Tapi ya begitulah. Menurutku saat melawan dia ini nggak terlalu susah ya. Nggak agak dikain juga sama si karakter ceweknya ini. Itu emang supportnya is the best gitu. Bayangin aja aku jadi dapat tigret gitu dia tuh kan udah mati. Dia kita ke bagian berikutnya ya. Ini lebih kayak ke sumari aja karena sayang banget ini videonya, sayang mau aku buang pokoknya. Ya gitu. Lanjut dan akhirnya kita akan ke ceritanya. Sebagai cerita aku bakal diam aja karena ya biasa.
It's time to go back and report in. But
Don't worry, Frostfang can guide us out.
Phew! So that's sorted. Frostfang sure knows this.
Yes, this is where we first met.
Really? More details, please. I wanna.
It was a long time ago, when I was just a little girl. I wandered into the forest and lost my way. I found a shadowy figure illuminated by the moonlight.
A shadowy figure?
Yes. Well, I was scared and clung to it without thinking, but it was a small Barioth.
Yikes! You snuggled up to a wild Barioth?
Its fur was so soft.
Zero survival instinct, huh?
I was soon found by villagers who took me home. The Barioth stayed behind.
And let me guess. That was.
Frostfang, yes. But I didn't realize that until later.
Wow! A wild monster letting a human child approach it?
Maybe if I'd never gotten lost in the forest, I wouldn't have met Frostfang. Maybe my first encounter with Frostfang and yours with Ratha was destiny at work.
Hey, what about me? It was fate meeting me too.
You should cherish your fateful encounter with Ratha. Okay, let's head back.
Ya setelah kita melewati backstory yang sangat luar biasa itu, kita akan melanjutkan perjalanan kita kembali ke village untuk melaporkan ke kepala desa. Setelah sampai kita berbicara dengan kepala desa untuk mendapatkan misi berikutnya menuju kemana gitu. Ya setelah itu ya kita setelah itu aku melakukan fire channeling untuk mengupgrade. Belum kita lanjut ke investigasi kita ke cave. Oke. Setelah itu kita, seingatku ya, abis ini kita bakal menginvestigasi. Oh belum, kita akan dikasihkan backstory yang menyentuh bagaimana si karakter ini ketemu dengan Frostfang kalau nggak salah. Atau sebelumnya ya? Gak ingat. Tapi aku bakal diam aja di bagian ini.
What did you call him before then?
Frostfangs.
Say what?
He was so
And you bonded with Fuzzfang. I mean, Fred.
That's right. It was a very cold day, like today. I'm freezing. Oh no, there's a monster here. A Barrios? Why did you... Hold on. I'm so happy to see you again. But you're all grown up. Fuzzfangs doesn't suit you anymore. Frostfang, would you like to come with me? That's when we bonded.
That's so touching. I almost teared up.
Frosty places always remind me of that day. Anyway, let's keep going.
Oke, setelah beberapa saat akhirnya kita menemukan siapa biang kerok dari semua ini. Dari yang bikin yang misi berikutnya nih, kita disuruh ngelawan nih Barot kalau nggak salah. Menurutku Barot ini salah satu monster yang bikin aku yang sangat nostalgic lah ya, Pak. Misalnya monster pertama yang bikin aku agak apa yang kayak wall di main Monster Hunter itu Barot ini. Aku sampai nge-stuck main Monster Hunter Portable Third kalau nggak salah. Itu lama ya gara-gara si bangke ini ya. Kita kira bisa melaluinya hanya dengan kan apa tuh? Kan dia punya skill mat tuh. Kita tinggal bawa nih, kasih tsunami dikit, boom, jatuh, critical hit, dan gitu aja terus dia ngasih mat. Kita ganti jadi monster yang bisa ngasihin air, balik lagi ke Tigre, menang aja gitu. Nggak ada yang terlalu spesial untuk lawan Barot ini, tapi cukup nostalgic. Dan kita lanjut lagi ke cutscene berikutnya.
We did it, buddy. Now the Popo can get through the cave and the shop can keep on.
Thanks for your help. Getting the shop back to normal will mean a lot to the owner, and it'll bring back some hustle and bustle.
Your village has come a long way since it was destroyed. It must have been really hard.
It was. Although Frostfang and I spent some time away from the village.
Really? Why, if you don't mind me asking?
When I came back to the village with Frostfang, after we bonded. Listen, everyone!
Lavinia, move away from that monster.
We can't sustain any more damage to the village.
He won't do any harm!
How do you know it's not blighted? It's too much risk. We won't allow it.
If he's not allowed in the village, then I'm leaving too. And so I left my beloved village, so that I might stay together with Frostfang.
I can't believe they didn't trust you and your Monstie.
The Black Blight didn't just destroy our village. It also destroyed people's trust in monsters.
That's terrible.
Seeing you and Ratha makes me remember how it felt to be with Frostfang back then. But no matter what happens, you must believe in your Monstie.
We'll prove that Ratha has nothing to do with that spooky legend. You'll see. Okay, gang, it's back to the chief. My paws are sore from walking. Let me hop on, Fuzzfang. Hey, no need to be so.
Setelah kita melakukan kembali lagi ke desa, akhirnya kita diberi misi untuk bukan investigasi, kita disuruh mencari curut listrik tuh, siapa namanya aku lupa. Coba kita lihat di sini. Ini
I haven't always been this way. In the past, I'd have just left you to fend for yourselves.
No way! Why would you say something like that?
Well, after leaving the village, I only wanted to be with Frostfang. At that time, riders weren't exactly welcome in Hunter's Town.
Things sure have changed, huh?
Frostfang and I stayed on the move, avoiding other humans. Until one day,
Oh?
someone kinder than anyone else I'd known always upbeat, no matter what.
Si kita.
Humans are heartless. Why would I go out of my way to help another person?
Don't say that. My town was also ruined by the Black Blight, but everyone's giving it their all to rebuild the place. Helping each other out. Isn't that what things are all about, chum?
You know, maybe you're right. Perhaps I should go back and do my part in repairing the If it weren't for him, I wouldn't have returned to Kuon. And now I know if we work hand in hand, we can really make a difference. For Ratha's sake, let's work together to find old Dede.
Kita berada disinggung ya.
Oh belum nih. Oh ya.
Look, there are tracks here too. Are these from a Tobi Kadachi?
Oh iya. Kita
Right here.
berikutnya kita disuruh misi Tobi Kadachi ya.
A bear!
Dan kalau dia di cutscene ini, akhirnya kita bertarung dengan Tobi Kadachi tersebut. Menurutku pertarungan melawan Tobi Kadachi ini cukup susah ya, tapi ya karena aku udah terlalu over prepare untuk melawan dia ya, akhirnya kita bisa mengalahkan dia dengan gampang.
You're getting stronger!
Working together brings out the true power of kinship. By the way, the cool guy who changed your outlook, what's he like? Is he more Claudacious?
You think he's a cool guy, huh?
That's a given,
Biru gak inget
no?
sama MC kita, Jo.
Well, Naviru, he's actually...
Whoa! I just realized I'm totally starving. Let's head back, report in, and...
Parah dah biru kalau tidak ingat dengan dirimu.
Ya, kita apa tuh namanya, kembali lagi ke village dan berbicara dengan ketua kepala suku, dan kita mendapatkan misi menuju gua untuk melawan siapa namanya tuh, si lintah putih tuh, yang kali banget emang tuh monster. Dan setelah itu kita berhasil mengalahkannya. Menurutku si lintah ini nggak terlalu susah ya, cuma gerakan yang berbahaya itu yang pas bagian itu aja sih, pas bagian yang warna listriknya itu cukup sakit, tapi ya mudah saja dengan terkait di Rathalos semuanya akan baik-baik saja. Nah, setelah itu kita
You did it!
kembali ke desa. Dan akhirnya kita melawan monster yang ada di pit, dan ada cutscene juga yang tunjuk cutscene-nya.
Hold on! I have a feeling we're being watched.
Kucing cebong.
It wasn't that long ago when a pit opened up in this area.
Giant holes, lights, enraged monsters? Can't make heads or tails of anything.
We'll find the pit if we go that way. Chief has mistaken you for the legendary rider who stopped the Black Blight. But if you do form a bond of kinship with Ratha, you really could become a legend.
Yeah, I couldn't have put it better myself. I'm sure you can become a renowned writer too, buddy.
Is something wrong? Could it be that you're afraid? Because Ratha may have a terrible power?
Tadi sih masalah.
If Ratha really does have that power, I'm sure I wouldn't know what to do either. But Monsties listen to their riders. And if there's worry or doubt in your voice, Ratha will become anxious too.
They say that my buddy's grandpa could understand what monsters were saying. But this is the first time I've heard about monsters understanding people.
Monsters are extremely sensitive to feelings. It's not words, but emotion.
Damn.
They don't have a language like us, so maybe that's why they're more attuned to feelings.
I guess that makes sense.
If you're scared, Ratha won't be able to show his true power. He needs to know that you will protect him no matter what.
Yeah.
That's the spirit. Something wrong, Naviru?
It really feels like we've been watched this whole time.
But by who? I don't see anyone.
Sweet toe beans, do I have fanatical fans following me? I wish they wouldn't be so shy. I love meeting my fans.
Could that be?
Oh no.
We've got trouble. We better hurry, buddy.
Let's go.
Jadi aku nggak bakal ada suara, dan aku yakin kalian tidak ada yang berhasil sampai ke belakang sini nontonnya, karena siapa yang mau nonton orang yapping seperti ini. Ya mudahan di video berikutnya nggak terjadi lagi kayak gini ya. Aku bakal misahin audionya aja biar lebih aman. Oke.
I don't like the look of this.
When is it going to reveal its power?
We gotta stay alert, buddy. Huh?
I feel like something's amiss.
Hey!
We've got to search closer. It's a Celtis! Oh no! It's all out of sorts!
Celtis Queen! A double whammy and rage raid!
Next time, I'll do the saving. You did it!
Your kinship stone powered up again, just like when we fought the Anjanath and Rathian. It's gotta be the light that made them act all weird.
Which means the guild's theory was correct. This light makes monsters more violent. But something doesn't add up. When monsters are hit by the rage rays, they lose control. That means it should be dangerous for our monsties too. I wonder why the light doesn't affect them.
This is some seriously perplexing stuff. But I'd say we're making progress.
Yes, let's go.
Let's head to the village.
Shouldn't we request backup from the other hunters?
Your reasoning?
I just have a bad feeling.
Okay then. Let's reach out to them.
Oh. I thought you'd object.
It's just as you said. We shouldn't wait until it's too late. Besides, I hear your instincts are spot on.
I see. Well then. But,
Huh? Why?
oh, it's neither here nor there.
Oke, segitu saja video untuk kali ini. Terima kasih jika kalian menonton sampai sejauh ini. Semoga lain kali tidak terjadi lagi. Saya minta maaf ya. Udah, sampai jumpa di video berikutnya.
We ran into a Celtis and Celtis Queen by the pit. But as we suspected, the monsters started raging because of the light from the...
It appears so. I bet that's what made Guardian Ratha lose control. I've been desperately trying to understand what was happening to him.
I shudder to think what would have happened if those Rage Raid monsters made it to the village. Thanks to you, we avoided the worst-case scenario. On behalf...
Told you we'd protect the village. Right, buddy?
I've learned something as well. Apparently, a feline spotted old date.
Now we're talking. Let's...
Yes. When you're ready, let's...